Welcome to the SideQuest. So in this video, TLDR, too long don't read, I automate the computer the way humans use the computer using the keyboard and the mouse and the trackpad. Using text expansion, which is where you type one thing. So if I type KSS, it's gonna ask me which key that I wanna do, and I'll do S, and then it's gonna give me the AppleScript for Command S. I can also do mouse, hover my mouse over any position, give it a random variable name, and it's going to give me the code that will click on a certain point. So if I change this to 00, that is so obnoxious, but I'm gonna keep it. And I push Command R, then it's gonna click at the very top left. Do I recommend you doing this? No. I think this would be a cool tool for me to make at Adobe. This is a test, this is a test. I'm going to write some micro automations to give to our agent in order for this process to be automated. Due to the fact I want to try different settings, and rather than redo it each time, the agent can do it based off of the information and the RAG that we are creating. This process of the script creation can be automated too. I will do a little bit, but I'm going to write it by hand because it's faster. There is a way to activate the menu items with AppleScript. It's a little complicated, so I'm just going to use XY clicks for now because it's faster. I'll click on effects, save, and I'll test it out. I'll do filter. So now my script opens up the parametric equalizer panel. This is a magnifier app that I built myself, and it essentially just tells me the coordinates of where the mouse is. Here's the coordinate map for the parametric equalizer panel. Drop down menu 236. I forgot to say what I was doing before. I'm going to go ahead and make an XY coordinate map for every single option using the magnifier app, record my voice, and go over the coordinates. I'll basically just speed this up real quick. Okay, I've recorded my voice doing the coordinates, and now I guess I'll make a JSON file or something in order to map the coordinates. I'll also take a screenshot. I'm going to open iTerminal, close the magnifying app, go to my folder. Don't use this option unless you know what you're doing. I'm going to put the files in a place that it can find it. I'll copy the path and then tell Claude to make the JSON. Sorry about the fridge. I'll try to fix it. Adobe Audition, whatever. I would like you to make an XY coordinate map for all of the options on inside of the parametric equalizer dropdown. I've included an image and a transcription that you can transcribe with Whisper with the actual coordinates. Please make a JSON with all of the menus, with all of the options. If you have any questions, please clarify before proceeding. I put the fridge part. So while this is doing, I'm going to make another SideQuest video. If you don't want to hear me blab about how this is cool, if you want to jump to the next part of the video, please feel free.